Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your academic performance with Unigo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your academic performance with Unigo, start by visiting the official Unigo website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up or log in option at the top right corner. If you are a new user, click on sign up to create an account. Fill in the required personal details, including your name, email address, and preferred password. After completing the form, submit it to create your account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Academic Performance section in your dashboard. In this section, you should find options to add or verify your academic records. Select the option to upload your transcripts or other related documents. Ensure that all documents are clear, legible, and contain accurate information. After uploading, review your entries for correctness before proceeding. Once satisfied, click the Submit button to send your documents for verification. Unigo will review your submissions and may take a few days for processing. You will receive an email notification once your academic performance is verified. If there are any issues, follow the instructions provided in the email for resolution. Once your verification is complete, you can access your verified academic records in your account dashboard. This process enables you to showcase your academic achievements effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.